When your 2009 Sebring refuses to start and emits a clicking sound, it can feel like your car is speaking a frustrating language only mechanics understand. And that clicking is often your car's cry for help, and hinting at a depleted battery. A common culprit here is usually a dead or dying battery. Car batteries last about 3 to 5 years, and if yours is on the older side, it's probably time for replacement. Let's not sweat the small stuff. But before swapping it out, let's try a jump start first. We all know how it goes: connecting the jumper cables correctly, red to positive, black to negative, and starting the donor vehicle before yours. Voila. Moment of truth. If the battery isn't the issue, next up is a starter. The relay solenoid, part of the starter, can wear out. A quick fix is tapping the starter lightly with a wrench while a friend turns the key. An old trick, but sometimes effective. Still no lock. The alternator might be to blame. It recharges the battery while the car is running. If it fails, your battery will drain quickly, leaving you stuck in the morning with just clicks to echo through the silence. Let's talk corroded terminals. Grime or corrosion on battery terminals can disrupt the power flow. Breaking out some baking soda and a toothbrush can clean things up, ensuring a solid connection for your electrical system. Simple, powerful actions. Now play detective with the fuses. A blown fuse, particularly linked to the ignition or starter system, could interrupt your power flow entirely. So keeping spare fuses could save you a trip to the garage and some of your sanity. If you still hear clicking, the culprit could be a seized engine. This one's a headache, but feeling the crankshaft pulley can confirm it. A move, likely electrical issues. No move, the engine might be compromised. Time to call the professionals. Get a diagnostic tool if you can. An OBD2 scanner can shake secrets loose from your car's computer, showing error codes that precisely point you to problems. These tools save time and guide even amateurs towards solutions. Pro tip, winter often slurs cars into this no-start debacle. The cold temps mean thicker oil and sluggish batteries. Consider using a block heater or battery warmer when living in chilly spots like Portland. They work wonders. Car troubles test patience, but each issue brings a learning opportunity. Plus, diving under the hood boosts confidence, letting you handle surprises with ease. But I do hope this helps. Scott signing off. Until next time, your Sebring demands attention. Now,